Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can turn off online status on the Facebook applications, because sometimes we want privacy and we want to hide our online status on the Facebook. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Facebook application, because all features will work properly after updating. So after updating, open the Facebook applications, and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see setting options. Click on it, and then scroll down the page, and you will see active status. Click on it, and you can see my active status is on. So if I will turn it off, then I will click on it, then click on turn off. So in this way you can turn off active status on the Facebook applications. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.